All right, so I'm actually pretty excited for today's video because I'll let Jordan explain the video of what we're doing today. But in retrospect, we're just gonna be picking up his wheels today for his, if you don't know, he drives a 2023 GR86. It's really nice, but it's like he's been like wanting to modify it for the longest time. And if you guys don't know, I am in my 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser. It's been about 2 weeks since I've owned it, and it's been like really cool driving it. It's just very hard because like I drive my Toyota Supra. I feel like I've neglected it for a while. I feel like I haven't driven it and it needs a wash. It looks really bad. But I drive my Toyota Supra and it's like super low to the ground, and then my this Land Cruiser is huge. Like I barely fit in parking lots, which is pretty annoying, but whatever. We're gonna go pick up Jordan and we're gonna go head down to Detail Union because that's where he got his wheels ceramic coated. But yes, let's go pick up Jordan real quick and head on. Alright, so I picked up Jordan and he's just basically going to say what we're doing today. Talk about his wheel specs, what wheels he got, his suspension setup. Because a lot of people have asked why you went with the KW one, or the HKS ones over the KW ones.
The HKS versus the KW ones?
Yeah, or why did you go with the HKS ones, besides price?
I mean, I just heard a lot of reviews just for daily driving the car. The HKS's, they run a lot more smoother, but for me, like relating it to the teen ones that I had in my old Subaru, like the $500 ones versus the $2,000 ones, I mean, you can really tell the difference. There's a lot more modifications that I can do with like angling it, cambering it, like, yeah.
And then what wheels did you go with?
Oh,
we'll show you right now.
I got the Advan GT Beyonds, 18 by 9.5 plus 45. But big thing is that a lot of people say with that size it's gonna rub, but we'll see. I mean, there's more things to do to like help with the rub. I do not want to trim the car. That's one thing people recommended.
No.
I do not want to do that. I'll probably camber the fuck out of it. Probably just add some more like suspensions, modifications, some more toe hooks or whatever. I don't know. We'll figure it out.
Camber plates, I think.
No. The little thing that goes,
I think I
forgot the name of it. It's not a toe hook. It's a, I don't know. Cusco sells them.
All right, but we're gonna be putting my big ass car into good use. We're gonna be putting the car, all the tires or all the wheels in the car, and I'm excited to see what they have in the shop today. It's a loud ass one.
Hey, what's up, man?
What's up, dude?
How's it going?
Good.
What's up, bro?
This is Jordan. We came to pick up the.
Yeah, the wheels, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're over here. We'll box them up for you. But you want to come take a look.
Thank you. Ooh, they look nice. No, I haven't seen them in person.
Oh, no?
I haven't. Obviously, he has, so he dropped them off to you guys.
Dude, I only see it. I'm following you.
This looks really good. So you guys ceramic coated and everything?
Yes, sir. We do the outside, inside of the barrels. We don't do the outside of the barrel. Makes no sense.
Wow.
I think that's how it went. I forgot.
I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again.
I usually don't like the.
My back turned towards the sun.
I like the seats too. Unless he traded it, I don't know what he did. Or he bought it, I don't know what he did. Alright, so it fit.
Bro, it fucking fits.
All 4 cars in. all 4 cars in, all 4 wheels in. And are we gonna go get tires or what? What are we gonna do?
Should we get tires?
It's up to you, man.
The thing is, even if I get tires, I still don't have locking nuts.
Yeah, he lives in the ghetto.
Yep. I don't want to get them stolen.
Alright, let it dip. Dude, it's not that heavy.
It's pretty heavy. I just want to put them on.
I kind of want, you should get like, maybe like a microfiber towel and put them next to your wheels. Or like something soft to put on the floor to put next to your wheels so you can see what it looks like.
Oh, I know what you mean.
You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Change his license plate.
I have a shit ton.
Alright, while Jordan gets set up, if any GR86 owners are watching the video, we want to know like what tire setup you guys are running, because this guy on the whole way drive back, he's been looking up different tire setups, and
it's
everyone...
been like a whole week or 2 weeks because people say that it rubs, and I'm just like, well, fuck, what do we do? And then like I want to run 255 35s, and then some people say I run 225 40s, and then I just don't know. And Encyclopedia is not here.
Yeah, Mr. Bricks isn't here to help us out. But yes, if any of you guys are watching and definitely could like help us out on what tire setup he can run, just because like we don't want to trim the fender wall, and we don't want to trim anything. We want like a meaty look that, I don't know if he wants to poke a little bit, but yeah, if you could definitely like help us out. Oh,
Holy shit.
that looks nice.
I don't even think
Thoughts?
it looks good,
It does look good.
and I can't wait
To put them on?
And I'm kind of saying fuck it and getting like a
It looks
whatever tires.
It looks really good. I really like the contrast of the blue and the white. And then another thing, we've also been looking up of what lug nuts he should get, because when we were looking it up, it said like a locking set only comes with 4, and obviously he has 5 lug nuts.
No. A locking set. It'll be a set and then a locking set. So I'll buy 1 set of regular studs and then 1 lock. If that makes sense. So it'll be 4 in 1, and then I'll have to just go around.
There has to be like an easier way of doing this, just because like...
I want the admin ones too.
Yeah, the admin ones will definitely like, it'll be like attention to detail.
The black dude would kind of look insane.
It would. The contrast would look really good. But yes, let us know what tire setup you guys are running to give him a little bit peace of mind, because he's been like all over like fitment industry, all over Google, and just doing research, and he just wants to get his wheels on, you know?
Yeah. Fuck it, we should just get the tires. Fuck it.
Well, we're gonna put the tires away. Is it a lot lighter?
Oh yeah. Try it. You can carry it with 1 hand.
Alright, hold it.
I'm scared.
I don't want to ruin your... Wow.
It's
really
light. Dude, it's light.
I don't want to ruin it. But yes, we're going to put them all away. And we're probably going to get food. But yes, let us know what tire setup he should run. Alright, we're going to reenact what Jordan showed me. He did not show me this. I did not expect this, but... Oh, the attention to detail, the advent center caps.
What this, bro?
Let's see.
Ah, shit.
Oh, it looks good.
Yeah, I need silver.
I think it looks nice.
I think I need silver locking nuts.
What if you did black with the white?
Would it look good?
Because your center caps are white and black, and you want something that'll have a little bit more.
It's white and silver.
The lettering. What color is the lettering?
I mean, yeah.
But if you have black and white, it'll pop more. You
All
know?
right, you're right.
Damn, I didn't expect you to show me that. That was nice. That was nice.
Hey, what's this lube with it? I don't. What is this?
It's probably to... I don't know. I'm gonna end the clip. I don't want to sound super.
Well, ask Joel.
Depends which one you.
I'm trying to fucking take this shit out. It's not coming out.
And this is where we will end today's video. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching if you made it this far. If you guys haven't already, definitely like follow my Instagram. I posted some photos of my Land Cruiser. I'm gonna be trying to like take a lot more photos of it. And please help Jordan out with tire sizes and like recommendations for lug nuts. He already bought the center caps, which looks chef's kiss. So hopefully this time next week, give or so, we're gonna be having installed Jordan's wheels. But let me know what you guys think of Jordan's wheels, like the white, the blue paint, and then the white wheel combination. To me, it looks really good. I've always loved white wheels. Part of me wishes that I did white wheels on the Supra. I will definitely not do white wheels on the Land Cruiser, that's for sure. But yeah, I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next week. But yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna do a review probably, I don't know how many miles, because I almost have 1,000 miles on the Land Cruiser already, but probably like 5,000. And then I'm trying to do like a little road trip with the car, see how it does like comfortability wise, long range, and yeah. Let me know what you guys want to see me do in any type of videos. But thank you guys once again for watching. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.